Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel K in Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So in the last video, I was working on printticket.php project PHP file, where I was working on how to fetch ticket from our database using PHP script and SQL query. But I forgot to display the visuals from where I can fetch our ticket. There will be a text box here where I will type a print ticket number and I will click button as print ticket to print our ticket. Okay, so first we need to provide that also. So I will try to develop these visuals here in this video. So follow me line by line. So from line number 56, after div tag, after li tag, we will have another li tag. Li tag. So you don't need to take li tag, I think. We will create a PHP opening tag. I will write PHP script from here in between the HTML tag. Closing PHP tag, and in between we will have PHP script if it's set $session and email. It is so we will have email coming from the session page variable as a value email, and after this we will close our PHP tag and open PHP tag, and in between closing and opening of PHP tag I will provide a li tag, li, not link man, li tag with the class attribute having the value nav item drop down. Inside that tag we will have anchor tag with the class attribute having the value nav link and drop down toggle. And data toggle as an attribute with the value drop down. It is itself a bootstrap class. Inside anchor tag we will have opening of PHP script tag with the echo statement having the content hello, which is enclosed inside a double quotes, which is concatenated by the dot, the email variable, and then we will close our PHP tag and again anchor tag. So after this we will do this later. This is none of our business because it will going to be displayed later. We will have to work on the visuals to get a ticket number from our user on runtime. So for this, come to after nav closing of nav tag, we will have another div tag with a class attribute container. Print ticket top, inside which we will have h2 tag with the class attribute before m2 before m24. These are all bootstrap class for providing padding and margin at the top. After that, close h2 tag. The content will be print your ticket. After that, we will have p tag with the class attribute having the value print ticket. And content will be verify your details and print your ticket. But I have to make the print your ticket text inside bold character. For this, I need to provide a span tag with the class attribute text danger and font weight bold, and the content will be print. After closing our span tag, we will have your ticket as a content. Let me check first this visual. So as you can see, it is coming but not at the center. Okay, we will do also. First let me complete our PHP bootstrap HTML code. So there is the opening of div tag with the class attribute having the value form group, and another add tag form inside the existing div tag with the attribute method having the value post. After that, inside a form tag, we will have another div tag with the class attribute deflex justify content center to make the alignment at the center, and inside this div tag we will have another div tag with the class attribute having the value p4, and inside which we will have input tag where we will provide the visuals to users so that users can provide ticket number. So input type is text, name will be ticket number, and placeholder will be ticket number. Okay, there is no any autocomplete text showing for placeholder, so we need to write it manually. Placeholder will be ticket number, ticket number, and the class will be form control. So here we go. After that we will close our div tag and again one another div tag with the class attribute p4, class attribute with the value p4, and in which we will have p tag, input tag, I think, because we are taking input here in the form of submit as user clicks on the submit button, and name will be print ticket. Okay, and the value will be print your ticket. So okay, it is not clearly visible, I think so. Okay, after that we will have class form control btn space btn danger for the better visual of the button. So now save this and run this code. As you can see, our visual is coming but not in good alignment. So first let me do this also. So for this, come to Salam text editor and copy this line of code and come to print.css file. Let me check whether I have created or not. Okay, it is available on our CSS folder. So and type here text align center. Now see the changes. No, still the alignment is not good as per our requirement, so there must be some error in our code. Let me open this print.css file inside our Sublime text editor. background red. For the testing purpose I am doing this. Not at all, it is working. There must be some error. Okay, we will see this output in the next video. So thank you, see you in next video. Stay tuned with us.